Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can get notification when you are logged out, and you can switch your account and then you can receive your previous account that you have added to Messenger, or like you can log out to that account. And let's get started. How you can do it: open up your Messenger app and then log into your account and go to main menu. And if you want to log out to this account, you have to simply do is turn on this settings, go to settings, and then you have to simply go to notification and sounds, and then you have to simply scroll up. You will see over here this single option over here, like notification when logged out. It's mean keep receiving notification from that account that you have previously using, or that account you are currently used, or if you want to switch it up. So whenever you using another account, this account will be notified when you get any notification or like any message if you have logged out your account. And to do this, you have to simply click on that toggle to turn this into blue color, and that's it. That's how you can get notification when you are logged out and switch it to another account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.